Hello everybody. Today we will understand the poem The Laburnum Top by Ted Hughes. The laburnum top is silent, quite still in the afternoon yellow September sunlight, a few leaves yellowing, all its seeds fallen. The laburnum tree, a tree with the yellow flowers, stands still and silent on a bright September afternoon. Its yellowness is in harmony with the yellow light of the bright autumn sun. Till the goldfinch comes with a twitching chirrup, a suddenness, a startlement at a branch end. Then, sleek as a lizard and alert and abrupt, she enters the thickness, and a machine starts up of chitterings and of tremor of wings and trillings. The whole tree trembles and thrills. Children, the peace and serenity of the tree is momentarily disturbed when a goldfinch comes. The bird perches at a branch end with a twitching chirrup. She gives a curious look around and then enters the thickness of the tree. She feeds her young ones in the nest. It is the engine of her family. She stokes it full, then flirts out to a branch end, showing her barred face identity mask. Now, when the bird comes out of the tree, it reveals its characteristic bars on its face or wings, which are a mark of her identity. There is a great commotion. The whole tree trembles with the twittering of the young ones and with the flapping of their wings. Then, with eerie, delicate whistle chirrup, whispering, she launches away towards the infinite, and the laburnum subsides to empty. Having fed her little ones, the goldfinch comes out of the tree, making gentle whistling sounds. It soars away in the sky, leaving the laburnum to its old silence and serenity. Now, stanzas I have explained, a little bit of more explanation. The laburnum seems silent and still in the absence of the melodious singing bird goldfinch. It appears to be motionless, pacific, and quiet. A few of its leaves are turning yellow in the autumnal September sunlight, but all its seeds have fallen. The moment the goldfinch comes to the laburnum top, it comes to life again. The twitching chirrup of goldfinch breaks the silence. She comes suddenly and abruptly. She enters the tree with caution like a lizard. She seems to plan her entry meticulously. She changes the atmosphere of the tree by her chitterings, tremor of wings, and twillings. The whole tree gets excited and is shaken by the movements of the bird. The tree becomes the engine of her family. She affectionately strokes the tree and flirts out to a branch end to show her barred face. Her barred face is her identity mask. Then goldfinch flies away towards the infinite sky with her peculiar soft whistle. After her exit, the laburnum tree becomes empty and calm again. The literary devices that are used in the poem. Laburnum tree is a symbol of peace and serenity, an integral part of nature. Yellow. Yellow is a symbol of decay and loneliness. Yellow September and yellowing leaves refer to the autumn and its process of decay. Goldfinch is a symbol of activity and liveliness. Sleek as a lizard is a simile. Simile, sleek as a lizard. Smoothness of the bird is compared to that of a lizard. Metaphor. Engine of her family. The noise of the engine is identified with the noise and commotion made by the young ones of the goldfinch. alliteration of chitterings and tremor of wings and trillings, the repetition of R and INGS sounds. Thank you very much.